Wondering which nail dipping powder kit is the best for you? Whether you are a beginner or a veteran of the nail dipping scene, there are a few things to consider before making your purchase. In this video, I will dive into the different types of nail dipping powders and their pros and cons. Also, there goes thousands of positive reviews on Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 5. Azure Carpet Manicure Color Dip Starter Kit. The Color Dip Starter Kit is a great way to get started with the Color Dip system. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including the Color Dip powder, base coat, top coat, activator, and brush. The kit also comes with detailed instructions on how to use the system. Overall, the kit is a great value and an easy way to get started with dip nails. This 21-day nail color dip system requires no UV or LED light to cure and includes 3 deep color shades. The neutral powders aren't just pretty, they are also practical. Unlike many kits, this lets you choose your polish color from an extensive list of on-trend shades. If you have already got basic dip application down and want to play, grab this manicure kit, which encourages you to mix your own shades. Though the adhesive is not included, so get ready to play artist for a custom nail design. I had never tried dip powders before, but this kit made it so easy to do. Number 4. Revel Nail Dip Powder 4-Color Starter Kit. This dip powder 4-color starter kit is a great way to get started with dip powder nails. The kit comes with 4 colors of powder, a base coat, a top coat, and activator. The colors are beautiful and vibrant, and the powder goes on smoothly and evenly. The base coat and top coat help protect your nails and make the color last longer. The activator helps set the powder so it doesn't come off easily. The kit is a great value and would be perfect for anyone who wants to try dip powder nails for the first time. This nail kit may come with 4 colors of your choosing initially, but Revel has a variety of dip powder color for you to choose from, 69 of them to be exact. If you are thinking about dabbling in more intricate dip powder concoctions, then this brand should definitely be on your radar. The first one I ordered made the application very bumpy, however, these go on like a dream without clumps. If you want to test color before ordering a larger size, they are perfect for that. Number 3. Kiara Sky Dipping Powder Essential Kit. If you are looking for a complete dipping powder kit that has everything you need, the Dipping Powder Essentials Kit is a great option. The kit includes a base coat, top coat, activator, and 3 colors of your choice. Plus, the powders are made with natural ingredients and are vegan and cruelty-free. I was really happy with the quality of the products in this kit, and it lasted me quite a while. Kiara Sky's Dip Powder Starter Kit provides a range of pink, white, and glitter powders for a dreamy-looking manicure. These easy-to-use dip powders are formulated with complex bonds so they won't chip, lift, or fade. The range of neutrals are perfect for everyday wear or for the ambidextrous among us. Attempting DIY French tips, this dip powder nail kit can last up to 4 weeks, so consider using this kit ahead a long trip like an international vacation or your honeymoon. Number 2. DipWell Dip Powder Nail Starter Kit. This DipWell Starter Kit is a great way to get started with dip powder nails. It includes everything you need to get the perfect manicure, including the powder, base coat, top coat, and activator. The powder comes in 4 colors: clear, white, pink, and red. You can use this included brush to apply the powder to your nails, then use the activator to set it. The result is a long-lasting, durable manicure that looks great. Given its glowing online reviews, fair price, and the fact that it's available in various colors, this was our clear winner as the best overall dip nail kit. It's also fortified with calcium, which helps battle daily wear and tear better than traditional nail lacquer, gel polish, and traditional acrylic system. Not only does this dip powder kit last much longer than traditional polish, it dries just 30 seconds after dipping. You spend less time waving your hands around in hope of faster drying time and more time doing literally anything else. Number 1. Azure Beauty Nail Dip Powder Starter Kit. I put the Azure Beauty Nail Dip Powder Starter Kit to the test to see if it lives up to the hype. This at-home dip powder kit comes with everything you need for a professional-looking manicure, including a base coat, top coat, activator, and color powder. The application process is simple and straightforward, and the results are long-lasting and chip-resistant. I am impressed with the overall quality of this kit and would recommend it to everyone looking for an easy way to get salon-quality nails at home. This is a great dip powder nail kit if your current arsenal of nail tools isn't full stock. I love that there are a total of 10 dip powder nail kits available, ranging from rich tones like earth brown and sea sunset to vibrant colors like mermaid series. Per the brand, the dip powder manicure will last up to 21 days and makes nails stronger while you wear it, thanks to the inclusion of calcium in the formula.